One of my favorite colors is this beautiful green that I found in this area called the Green Springs. I was driving up the road and I happened to see this amazing subtle sage green color. I pulled over and scrambled up this very steep edge and dug it up. I brought it home and dried it, and I sifted it and sieved it, and I spent most of my pregnancy climbing up and down rock beds and road cuts and creek cuts and trying to find beautiful different seams of reds and greens. I was able to create a beautiful body of work just with these natural supplies that were just right outside my door. I had been a professional artist for about 15 years. When I found out that I was pregnant, I instantly dove right into researching how to eliminate every single toxin and have a truly non-toxic and natural paint system that you could pretty much eat. It's simply earth and minerals and oils and natural binders and gums and resins. That's the mission of Natural Earth Paint, is that we are interested in a sustainable, truly 100% non-toxic paints that are also very, very high quality and archival and long-lasting and luminous and radiant. We are based in Ashland, Oregon. We have a wonderful small team of great people that handcrafts all of our products. Everything's made in really small batches to maintain integrity and quality in everything we do. Sustainability is super important to us, and we really try to walk our talk and create as little waste as possible. So all of our packaging is recycled and biodegradable. Our warehouse is now 100% solar powered, which is super exciting. We now buy our pigments from family-owned quarries around the world, and after several years of testing pigments, we found that the brightest earth colors are in France and Italy and parts of the US. I really wanted to create this business and these products to help people.
Oh yeah, that tickles.
There's so many people around the world with chemical sensitivities that can't create art at all because of the toxins in acrylic paint or oil paint or whatever they're using. Most supplies are toxic in some way.
I'm gonna be a blue cat, okay?
I also want parents to be able to feel like they can be completely safe and just setting out a bunch of paints for their kids to paint with and play with and get crazy and get it on their skin and just not have to worry about that. And so I wanted to give an alternative that's actually even better quality products that would help them create a beautiful body of work and express themselves, knowing that they're safe and their children are safe and the earth is safe.